Friday, September 13th, 2024. St. John Chrysostom. Focus. I discipline my body and keep it under control, lest after preaching to others, I myself should be disqualified. Scripture often challenges us to take a hard look at ourselves and our dealings with others. For instance, today's first reading speaks clearly about the manner in which we must serve the Lord in our ministry. If we do it well and receive recognition, we may accept the praise humbly, giving God the credit. On the other hand, if it goes to our head, it may lead us to boast or expect some reward. This will be a stumbling block for many. They will notice a discrepancy between what we say and do, or even see us as hypocrites. Jesus also teaches us about spiritual blindness. This becomes visible in our speech and actions, especially when we pass remarks or rush to judgment about others. For years, I struggled with the sin of judging almost instantly when meeting someone, their dress, appearance, or speech. Only the love and grace of Jesus helped me to see them with the heart and not just the eyes. Indeed, discipline and self-control always bear good fruit. It is by listening and watching that transformation begins. It also requires knowing our strengths and weaknesses. That is why Jesus tells us that we must become more like Him. Fruit. Let us ask Jesus to correct us so that we may become His disciplined and self-controlled disciples.